Now, we're diving into the world of turning for those of you with lathes. Let's break it down together. Let's start simple with Easy Turn Express. If you're working with a 2-axis lathe, maybe a turret or gang tool setup, and mostly turning straightforward cylindrical parts, Turn Express has everything you need. It's made for efficient production of bushings, spacers, collars, and all those everyday turned parts that are the backbone of machine shops. These are the kind of parts you knock out from bar stock. Maybe a stepped shaft with a groove, or a face-machined ring with an outer diameter profile and threads. Nothing fancy, just solid, repeatable machining. Easy Turn Express makes that process incredibly smooth. You can rough, profile, bore, and face with single or multi-pass toolpaths. Apply canned cycles to simplify the G-code, and use custom cycles for bar pulling, cutoffs, and auxiliary movements. Threading, grooving, drilling, it's all there, whether you prefer longhand programming or canned routines. And with built-in feature recognition, you don't have to manually define every little element. CAD-CAM helps you identify part geometry automatically, speeding things up and reducing the chance for errors. And with a couple of clicks, you can override the automation and constrain the toolpath to a smaller area for focused work. Now, what happens when turning isn't the whole story? That's where Easy Turn comes in. Easy Turn is made for jobs where the lathe does more than just spin and cut. Maybe you've got live tooling, a sub-spindle, or a rotary axis, and you're making parts that combine turning and milling in the same setup. Think of shaft collars with radial holes, or housings with intricate face-milled patterns. Or maybe you're machining valve bodies, where the outer profile is turned, but the internal cavity needs spiral milling to create smooth flowing contours. With Easy Turn, those multi-operation parts that go from chuck to completed without ever leaving the machine, are handled confidently. The software adds powerful milling strategies to your turning workflow, so you can machine pockets, bolt patterns, milled flats, even wrap engraving or slotting around a cylindrical face using rotary axis support. And just like EasyMill, high-speed machining is baked into the toolpaths. Want to engrave logos or part numbers on the face of a part? Easy. Need to machine a sculpted face with tapered tools or spiral toolpaths? It's all built in. Easy Turn gives you access to 3D profiling, spiral and offset pocketing, and advanced finishing techniques like equidistant. It supports rotary axis indexing and wrapping, which means you can approach parts from multiple orientations without losing accuracy. If your machine has live tooling or 5-axis positioning, Easy Turn is built to take advantage of it. So here's the big picture. If you're turning simple parts on a 2-axis lathe, Easy Turn Express is fast, focused, and gives you all the turning tools you need to stay productive and precise. But when your parts ask for more complexity, more axes, more milling, Easy Turn steps up. It's for shops pushing the limits of what a lathe can do, whether that's rotary index work, sculpted features, or full-on mill turn operations. No matter where your turning work lands, CAD-CAM gives you the control, power, and ease of use to get from setup to cycle start with confidence. No matter what kind of work you do, milling or turning, 2-axis or multi-face, simple brackets or complex contoured molds, CAD-CAM has a solution built around how you actually machine parts. Whether you're making short-run spacers on a lathe, sculpted housings on a mill, or combining both with live tooling, CAD-CAM software is designed to meet you where you are and grow with your shop. EasyMill and Easy Turn give you the control, speed, and confidence to get the job done right, every time, from setup to cycle start. And if you still have any questions about which version is best for your business, feel free to reach out to our friendly and experienced team who will guide you the rest of the way.